Alright, as of today, I'm here at the library. My friend Cassie wants me to be here. This is the last time coming here. So... Hi! Hi! Yeah, I did.
I attacked you! Oh, my father. You stepped on my toes for the second time. Dad, give me a hug. Give me a hug. Dad, this is a Is it raining outside?
Yeah.
Give me a hug. Give me a hug. Eric. Yeah. It's like he's fast.
Hey, I lost weight.
Holy crud, he's lost weight and he's gotten taller.
And I just got a haircut.
Hold it, I need you to kneel down for a second. I want to check the haircut a little better. Kneel down. Okay. That's for saying I need to put pants on and shoes on when you're on the phone. That was too graphic for me and a leg
Cassie, guess who I'm being this Halloween?
Who?
Toby.
I have an issue.
Why?
I'm going to live in Massachusetts for the rest of my life with that guy.
Cool. Have fun. Maybe I'll see you at Anime Boston next year.
And don't worry.
She said, ain't that a little angel?
Yeah, I said, Dad, aren't I a little angel? Cracks up. My dad, I may be able to see you in Anime Boston because I'm on a adult.
Yeah, I'm probably gonna be like the only guy there dressed as Toby.
Don't worry, I'm gonna need Allegra's phone number again because I just lost her phone number.
Yeah, Allegra's gonna be Yotsuba. She's gonna be a cat girl. I'm gonna be Toby.
No, I mean 3 people.
And my parents
McGee's
and their friend
cat girl.
Anthony are gonna be the Triforce from Legend of Zelda.
Hey,
that's
this
awesome.
is what I'm
I know.
A cat girl, a bunny girl, and McGee's owl.
Okay, no, listen. Go to Mew Mew. Mew Mew cat girl, that thing. Go to Tucky Cat, then say
No, I'm putting on my account. No, mine.
They got girls that have
Mine.
cat ears or bunny ears.
I'm not gonna put it on your account. It's mine. It's my camera. I'm putting it on my account.
Dude, did your sister like Tokyo Mew Mew?
Sort of.
Because I was about to say, I was like, okay, it's Mew Mew something. They have cat ears.
I am not being her. I will be Tokyo.
Oh my god, I love this lady.
Okay.
This is my favorite from Tokyo Mew Mew. She's like a dog. She's a dog.
Wow, that's...
No, I mean,
I
not
want to be
that
her.
dog.
No, I want to be... Flip the cover real quick. No, flip it. I want to be her.
That's a cat.
Yeah.
You know,
Well, I want to leave the monkey one. The monkey, that's the monkey one.
Yeah, next year when if I get honor roll for the first 2 trimesters of next year, I get to go to Anime Boston for 3 days.
See, monkey. She a monkey.
That's creepy.
She's a monkey?
She's a monkey, she's a dog. I forgot. She's
That's not
a
bad.
cat. She's a monkey.
Okay. Why are you
What the heck?
The Black Parade.
I think...
I'm gonna put it back to the other thing that it was originally.
You don't really like... You don't really listen to MCR anymore.
Yeah,
right?
actually I do. All the time.
Excuse me.
What?
I'm gonna get one of the other
because I breed Mew Mew?
No!
Cassie.
And you shouldn't tease me either, because she made me read Peach Fuzz. She also made me read Dramacon. Creepiness.
Let me cry on your shoulder, Fab. You're joking.
Oh crap, my camera.